Hello, folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventures.
Good evening, folks. It is May 4th. I'm doing an evening hunt. Right now it's 6:01, and I am hoping that a hog will show up tonight. So hang in there. I'll be right back. Wish me luck. Right now it'll be a perfect time for a thumbs up. All right, folks. Got my decoys. I got old Tom. I got my hen over there. Hopefully we can get a turkey this evening. Also, would like to get a hog tonight, so I'm going to be hunting until sunset. I apologize for the AC running. Right now I'm trying to cool down my deer blind. So just stand by and wish me luck, and let's see if what shows up this evening. Alright, folks, I got inside this blind I have two views. I actually have this camera filming me. Then I actually have this camera actually filming the where I have my deer feeder. And at the deer feeder I actually have 3 game cams. So the plan is when this evening, when the hogs come in, I should have 3 cameras capturing the hogs coming in eating the corn. So having those 3 views, I have one on that tree, and then I have 2 of them pointing. I got one on the left, one on the right, pointing to the center of that deer feeder, and then I got one on that tree pointing this direction. So it's going to be a cool view when I get the hogs come in this evening. So I got my fingers crossed, and hopefully them hogs will show up this evening. It's been at least 4 months that I haven't shot the 338 Lapua. So I got a feeling that tonight is gonna be the night that I put a hog down. Hopefully maybe I can get maybe 2 hogs down or 3. It all depends if I can line them up. I got the corn lined up. I got a straight line. If I can get 2 or 3, maybe 4 or 5, that's what I'm hoping. Go right through them and see if I can get, I'm hoping at least 2, but fingers crossed. Perfect time for a thumbs up. I'll be right back, so folks. All right, folks, it's 8 o'clock. And sunset is at 8:20. So I got 20 minutes to get me a turkey. So in 20 minutes will be hog mode. I haven't seen anything yet, because I hunted out of the wrong blind. Hopefully tonight would be the night that I kill and harvest a hog. So stand by, thumbs up, and I'll be right back. All right, folks, it is 8:20. Sunset was 8:20. So the turkey hunt is over. I want to show you, I got these lights. I bought these lights at Amazon, and they're real bright. So it's going to be great to enhance my videos. So I'll put a link on the description about these little lights. All it requires 2 AA light batteries, and these things are pretty bright, pretty nice. So I'm gonna add that to my video arsenal, so I'm gonna enhance my videos. All right, I'm gonna shut these lights down. We're entering the hog mode. I'll be right back, and hopefully a hog will show up at any time now. I won't be able to film inside, but I got some hog lights out there, so hopefully I can video the harvest or the kill. Alright, stand by. I'll be right back. Well, folks, it is 11 o'clock, and I'm going to call it a night. I didn't see anything this evening. I did see a couple of raccoons over here. It was too dark, but I brought my 223 Mossberg, the bolt action. I got a suppressor on it, and I shot a raccoon over here. But no hogs, so I'm going to call it a night, and I'll try it again in the morning. So I am tired, so I'm going to go back to the campsite, get a good night rest, and be back out here about 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, see you in the morning.